CAMS Designer Zone. Your satisfaction is our success.
As rightly said, a home is where the heart lies. So hello everyone, I am Ritisha Gaidhani and I welcome you to an extremely simple yet incomparably elegant house which will make you to see it. Hence fasten your seat belts and follow me on this brief tour of the Gaidhani's residence, which will give a complete new definition of a perfect house.
We wanted an automated house. Automated in the sense, after a day's work, 9 to 5 work, 9 to 8 work, who's willing to get up every second moment to change the speed of the fan, to switch on the light, to switch off a light, to again change the speed of the fan, to turn on the TV, turn off the TV. Who's willing to do that? So we wanted everything should be done at one place. We are sitting at one place and we just order and it's done. The main attraction of automation in this house was a simple device named Alexa. So the first time we got to know about this device was for architects because they have the same device in their house. We went over to their house to just have a look at how it works, and at that very moment we were up to the decision that we have to buy it. It is worth buying it. So our architects suggested only after thorough experimentation, and so do we.
Alexa, turn on living curtain.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off living curtain.
Okay.
So our architects very well satisfied our needs. Coming to the living room, the main attraction of this living room is the TV unit. This beautiful TV unit looks like a piece of marble, but let me surprise you by telling that it is not. It is rather a simple piece of plywood which has been looking so beautiful just because of the dedication and outstanding work of our artists and workers. Also, the decoration done on this, the flowers and the shadow of the flowers, let me tell you, it is not a work of lights. It is again the outcome of the dedication shown by our artists. Moving further to this piece, which looks like a glass filled with broken shells, but again let me tell you it is not. Alexa, turn on pearls.
Okay.
This beautiful set is a backlit pearl sheet which looks amazing.
As rightly stated by our ancestors, that the house is incomplete without the presence of God. So this beautiful house revolves around the graven image of this deity, which has been sculpted in pure teak wood.
Talking about Indian parents, they have this typical mindset that अगर बच्चा competition में जा रहा है तो जीत के ही आना चाहिए. Okay, my parents did not have this mindset, yet my brother and I strived to win. So there were a couple of trophies which had to be kept and managed in this house. Rather, there were more than couple. So we put forth this in front of our interiors, and they came up with a unique setup to display our achievements. After incessant hard work and incessant failures or alteration, they came up with an idea so unique that they had a dark background, and on that a light white colored setup or the unit, which would help it to highlight our medals and trophies.
Now welcome to the kitchen. When we think about kitchen, the first thought that we come up with is trolleys. And now the hectic thing is you have to open the trolleys, then wait till they closes. So our trolleys are special ones. You just open it, you don't have to wait till it closes. Now when we were coming up with ideas for our kitchen, my mother was the one who was getting most of the inputs because she had the insight of the kitchens. So she had this basic typical Indian motherly problem, that is kanda kuthe khyo ya fir onions kahan pe rakhe abhi, where should we store it? So we came up with this basket idea which could store onions, garlics and potatoes and other basic stuff. My parents were pestered with one more question, and especially my mother as we were talking in the kitchen. So it was basically the noise that the hinges of the kitchen cabinets make after a certain period of time, which becomes really frustrating and eats our head. So our interior designer Kamal Joshi came up with the idea of soft close hydraulic hinges, which were actually do not make any noise and also have a longer life as compared to any other hinges. Also coming to another point, that we didn't want a cliche theme with same colors and same textures. We were experimenting with many stuff. Again, our interior designer, that's Camp's designer, gave us this idea of yellow back painted wall which gelled up well with our interior design. Now come to the master bedroom. As this was my parents' room, they wanted it simple and sober with a decent theme. So my architects came up with a design of use of veneer and came up with a wooden theme. So they gave this use of veneer with the help of lamination. So it looks simple. Alexa, turn off bed light. Okay. Turn off white lights. Okay. Turn off moonlight. Okay. Turn off small lights. Okay. Just like every room has its own theme, this room also has its own theme, that is red, black and grey. Also coming to second point, there is this unique, it looks like a stencil thing, but let me tell you it is not. It is again the outcome of the hard work and the dedication shown by our artists. Also the third main point of this room is the minimal furniture. Like there's enough room for walking here. Lastly, coming to the main room of this whole house, that is my room. आखिरकार गर्मी का room last में आता है. So now my room, the theme was purple and white as you can see, which held up really well to keep up the calmness. Also one of the best things in all the rooms, all over the house, is that none of the stories of this house are protruding or can be seen prominently.
Like all of these are storages but cannot be seen. This is a storage, and likewise all of these are storages. I am tired now. I'll be calling it a day. Lastly, I would like to sincerely thank Mr. Kamal Joshi and Mrs. Meenakshi Joshi from CAMS Designer Studio to turn a simple house into this beautiful automated home. Alexa, activate Prime Time.
Okay.